Cube. Cube is defined as if we have a number and we are multiplying that number 3 times. So if we pick a number, for example, if I pick 2, 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, which is equal to 8. So that is the definition of a cube. And if I pick some number which is equal to some negative 3, what is negative 3? Negative 3 multiplied with negative 3 multiplied with negative 3, which is equal to negative 27. So that is cube. We can say the definition: if a number is multiplied to itself 3 times, the product of the multiplication is called the cube of that number. Okay. Now we can go for, if I multiply a number a cube is defined as a multiplied with a multiplied with a. Okay. Now we can go for what is perfect cube. If the prime factorization of any number, if each factor appears 3 times, then the number is a perfect cube or a cube number. Okay. For example, if I pick a number called 8, I can represent 8 as 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. So 8 is nothing but the cube root of 2. Okay. So 8 is a perfect cube. Similarly, I have 27 is also a perfect cube. And we have 125, which is a perfect cube. Why 8 is a perfect cube? Because 8 can be expressed as 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. Similarly, 27, that can be expressed as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3. 125 can be expressed as 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. So this is 2 cube, which is 3 cube, and which is 5 cube. So these are all numbers are perfect cube, which implies 125, 27, and 8. These all are perfect cubes. Now we can go for next one, observations regarding our cubes. So first, let us see that 0 cube, that is equal to 0. Similarly, 1 cube, that is equal to 1. 2 cube, which is equal to 8. 3 cube, we have 27. 4 cube, we have 64. 5 cube, we have 125. 6 cube, we have 216. 7 cube, we have 343. And 8 cube, 9 cube. Okay. Now you can see our observation, we can make certain observation from this data. The cube of the number which ends with 2, that is always equal to 8, and similarly vice versa. If a number 8 is cubed, then the unit digit must be equal to 2. That happens for 7, because 7 cube, if a number, that means 7, if we cube 7, it's end with a unit digit called 3, and in the case of 3, if we cube 3, it's end with a digit 7. So they both happens for them. We can call them as a pair. For them it's happening. Such a beautiful stuff is happening. And you can see what are the units digit we have. We don't have 8. Yeah, we have 8, right? We have 8 somewhere. Yeah, we have 8. But we don't have, yeah, we have, we have 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. So cube of numbers 0, 1, 6, the 0, 1, 5, 6, they are all perfect numbers. Of course, we have 7, 2. Now cube of 2 is 8 and 8 is 2. Similarly, 3 is 7 and that happens with 7. And if we cube any negative numbers, it turns out to be always negative. But if we square some numbers, that's always positive, because negative multiplied with negative, which is always positive. But here we have negative multiplied with negative multiplied with negative, which is always negative. So cube of a negative number, that is always equal to negative. Now find the ones digit of the cube numbers. The first one, 131. If we cube this one, what is in the ones place? So here we have 1, so that must be equal to 1. Next number, 433. The last digit, that is 3. If we cube 3, then our answer will be equal to 27. So the units place will be equal to 7. Here we have 142 and it is 2. If we cube 2, we are with 8. So we have 8. Adding consecutive odd numbers, we can see certain patterns for them. Okay, in general, 1 cube, that is basically 1 cube, which is equal to 1. Now we have 3 plus 5, which is 8, and that is equal to 2 cube. Now I have 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 11, which is equal to 3 cube, which is equal to 27. Now I have 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, which is equal to 4 cube, and that is equal to 64. You can see. So you can observe a beautiful pattern for these numbers, because here 1, I can write it as 1 cube itself. For 8, I have 2 cube, which is equal to 3 plus 5. Similarly, for 27, that is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube can be written as 7 plus 9 plus 11. See, these are all consecutive numbers. After 7, the next odd number, that is 9. After 9, it is 11. Starting from next number, which is after 11, we have 13. So 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, which is equal to 4 cube, and that is equal to 64. So these are the patterns existing in these cubes.